Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 3, in which we will be focusing on drafting, MLA formatting, and the Aurora discussion. Let's check out the overview. Alright, so now this week we're going to start building our ideas into a real draft for Essay 1. And hopefully you already started making some connections between the 3 different readings that you can use. And really one of the best ways to build a really strong draft is to support it with evidence. And in order for us to do that, we have to really understand what the author is arguing and what they are saying. Now in this module, we're going to talk about how to develop a rough draft for Essay 1. We'll learn how to analyze and respond to Namit Arora's arguments, and we will learn how to format our essay, works cited page, and we'll learn also how to build a clear and accurate works cited list. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this out. Alright, now here is the reading that we're going to be doing for this week. It's Namit Arora's What Do We Deserve, in which he discusses the method that we have in the US of meritocracy and whether or not that is actually happening. He talks about whether or not we deserve everything that we earn, everything that we work for, or are there other things at play, such as the communities that we come from, whether we are wealthy or not wealthy, etc., so on and so forth. It's a really interesting read, so hopefully you guys like it. Okay, and next we have a video discussion on Aurora. Again, similar to the last one we did. You can record and upload a 2 to 4 minute video just freely discussing the article. So you'll cover a few things, however. So first you're going to share a quote from the article that really stood out to you and explain like why did you think it was so interesting, why is it meaningful or thought-provoking. Next you'll connect it, make a connection to your life, maybe something that happened outside in the world, or maybe another reading that you've discussed in another class or even in this class. And then you'll analyze it and you'll take a stance. And then same as the last one, watch a few videos and just leave a quick short response, 4 to 6 sentences to a few of your peers. Alright, next we're going to be getting into some more writing technicalities, the first being paragraph structure. And this page discusses different examples that you can use. There's the thesis sentence, beginning of paragraphs. We have topic sentences, when to paragraph, how to link paragraphs, and transitions. So make sure you read through that. Pretty useful information. And again, this is from our OER, so you can definitely go directly and look at it on there. Next, we'll talk about how to build your works cited. We have a sample works cited here. So some requirements are that you need to include page numbers, you need to include the title, spacing, alphabetical order, hanging indents, etc. And the next we have a video that I created that will show you how to actually format your essay and your works cited in MLA format. Now I do it in both Google Doc and Word Doc. And I'll put the timestamp right here as well when the Word doc begins. But yeah, so this is a really, students have told me it's very useful because it will show you exactly how to indent, specifically for the works cited, in which it requires you to have that hanging indent. So definitely check it out. And the last and final thing is we're going to be submitting our Essay 1 rough draft. So now that we have reviewed the prompt, we've brainstormed a little bit, we're going to complete our rough draft, okay? And your rough draft should be about 450 to 500 words. It should be as close as possible to the final draft in regards to formatting and thesis development. So most important, make sure you have a clear thesis and make sure that your formatting is in order, double space, Times New Roman, 12-point font, etc., all that good stuff. And then I will be providing feedback. So make sure you get that in on time. Alright, that's pretty much it. So for Module 3, we read What Do We Deserve by Namit Arora. You participated in a video discussion. We practiced our MLA formatting skills and how to build the works cited page. We also watched a lesson on formatting your essay and citations, and the culmination of this module is submitting your rough draft for Essay 1. All right, thanks so much. See you guys later.